Identify the operation to solve addition and subtraction word problems. Absolutely love this activity. Look what they're doing. They're dealing with word problems. Students don't get to deal with word problems enough, but we're adding a layer to it because they're identifying the equation based on the order of the story, and they're finding the missing addend there. They're identifying what the action is at the end. On top of that, they're dropping it into a part total. So they're building an awareness of if they're given parts or totals and the role that that has. And then they're identifying if the equation, even though it says the action is add on 210, to actually solve that, we're using a subtraction. And they're doing the calculator here for this one. And then for the independent task, we're going into a little bit more detail where they're setting that out. And I love the end question here where they're saying which operation, addition or subtraction, is used to solve problems when the total is unknown. And the question below says, is used to solve problems when the part is unknown. So what do we mean by that? Well, look, in this particular one, even though we represented it here, 17 take away what equals 10, we're given a total and a part, so we have to do a subtraction to figure out the other part. But over here, we're given two parts, so we need to do an addition. Even though the equation is shown as a subtraction, we do an addition because we've got two parts, and to find the total, we've got to join that together. What a great activity, and we've got multiple worksheets of this to reinforce the learning, which is absolutely brilliant.